Our homes are filled with tools that make our lives easier. It's in our DNA to invent the next best thing. Look in your kitchen and laundry room. They're full of appliances doing the work for you. Those appliances now are smart enough to act like a personal assistant. Meet Kelly Mills. She's a senior merchandising specialist at GE Appliances. She knows everything about this next generation of connected appliances. She's visiting us at Slager Appliances. Hi, Kelly.
Hi, Pete.
Connected appliances, what makes them connected?
You know, for us at GE Appliances, Pete, it's all about real life, real connected. It's about having benefit in the home, it being a smart, technology-filled home that makes life easier. So we really provide appliances that give you convenience, peace of mind, and optimal performance in the home.
Well, that's exciting as we talk about the evolution of the smart home to the next level. What are some of the features we can look forward to?
Yeah, so we really have some great partnerships out there today. So we have a partnership with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. So that gives you hands-free capability by using your voice to simply command one of the appliances in the home. We also have partnerships with Drop, which actually is a recipe app. So if I'm baking, I can actually preheat my oven directly from that recipe as I'm baking. And other additional partners such as Amazon Dash replenishment services. So I really never run out of detergent when I really need that soccer uniform for the big game.
Making our life easier through technology. And as we stand next to, I'm looking at a beautiful new refrigerator here, and I'm zeroed in a little bit on a device for coffee, right?
Absolutely. This is our beautiful black slate GE Cafe refrigerator. And as you notice, it actually has the Keurig K-Cup brewer right in the door.
And this can be controlled. I could be upstairs getting out of the shower and I want to get my coffee rolling. So tell us how this connected refrigerator works.
Absolutely. I can actually take my phone and schedule this to have coffee started at 6 a.m. So basically it's starting that preheat process to get hot water ready. I come downstairs and I turn this knob and the coffee's dispensed for me.
Okay, and show us how, I mean, this pops out, right?
It does. So this Keurig K-Cup piece just opens up at the dispenser at the top and you pop your K-Cup in, coffee or tea or whatever you prefer. You slide that back in and turn the knob and it's ready to go.
And again, the safety levels on here, and it shows the how the water's heating on the fridge right here.
Absolutely. It gives you kind of a countdown, so to speak, and you've already got that process moving, so you know it's ready to go when you're ready for that cup of coffee.
Now, I hear about warnings about hackers can connect to devices that are connected to the internet. How does GE approach that with the connected devices?
Yeah, that's a great question. So at GE Appliances, we take security very seriously. We have a dedicated team that really monitors and safeguards consumer information and consumer data so that it's always protected.
Now, your refrigerators is just one appliance here in the kitchen. You also have with the oven connection, right?
We do. We actually have whole home capability, so we have a great slide-in range I'd like to show you.
Let's take a look.
Really want to show you a demonstration here. Really, this technology is so beneficial in the kitchen, especially if you have your hands dirty and you're ready to get into a recipe, or you may not even necessarily know how to cook a perfect dish. This is going to help you. Alexa, tell Geneva I want beef tenderloin.
You'd like me to set your oven convection roast at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for beef tenderloin, right?
Right.
Oh, that's really neat. So tell us a little bit about Geneva.
Geneva is really the skill or the action that you would use to communicate to the GE Appliances through the voice command capable device, whether it be the Amazon Alexa device or a Google Assistant device.
Okay, so if I'm remote and I program in for my oven, but what if someone else gives it directions in the house?
Geneva will respond to anyone in the home, so we recommend it's just adults that are using the appliance technology.
Okay, all right, so it's smart enough to go beyond what
Absolutely, you could turn the oven on and I could turn it right back off.
Oh, that is really neat.
So really you can see, Pete, that this technology can really do a lot in the kitchen and it really makes things easier in your everyday life.
And Kelly, I see it right here, so it comes up on the screen on the oven here.
Absolutely, and it notifies you that it's actually preheating, and also in your app on your phone, you would see that your oven is preheating.
For someone like myself, I may not know what temperature to put my beef tenderloin on. This has it already programmed in.
Absolutely, and that's the beauty of it, making it much easier and simplistic, so it's everyday life and it becomes something I want to use every day.
Now, I know kitchen appliances connected, but you also have other appliances as well that are
Absolutely,
connected.
Great question. So we really want that smart connection, that connected home experience. So we also offer laundry products as well as water heaters and window air conditioners.
Our PowerHouse viewers are always into finding out about expenses and costs. What's the charge for smart appliances?
Yeah, so most of our appliances today, we have over 100 models available currently. Most of those models are connected through the hardware that's built into the device, so you're not paying any additional fee, which is fantastic. Other than that, some of the models actually have a component that you can purchase for just under $50 to connect it.
So that's not much for this great technology.
Not at all.
Wow. Well, Kelly, the innovation here that you have with these GE appliances is really neat to see. Thanks for sharing that with us.
Thanks very much.
And if you'd like more information about GE connected appliances, visit our website at powerhousetv.com or at geappliances.com/connect.